In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn free crypto with Coinbase and Coinbase Earn. For more information on Coinbase, please check out everybithelps.co.uk. You may already be aware that Coinbase is well known for being the gateway for new users getting into crypto. But not only that, you can also earn free crypto when using their platform. Coinbase's main aim is to make blockchain technology more accessible, both in the sense of making cryptocurrencies easier to obtain and easier to understand. With this in mind, they created Coinbase Earn. Coinbase's Earn program is an easy way to get exposure to a wider range of tokens, as they give away free crypto for simply learning about a token or a project via a series of videos or lessons. After watching each lesson, you'll receive a simple quiz testing what you've learned. Once you've got those correct, you'll then receive crypto in your Coinbase.com exchange wallet for every quiz that you complete. And you can take the quiz as many times as you need to pass. This is a great opportunity for those that are looking to diversify their crypto portfolio, get a better understanding of cryptocurrencies, or looking to get into altcoins that might just possibly 100x without having to deposit or spend any money at all. What you then do with your free crypto is completely up to you. You could exchange it on Coinbase or withdraw it to another exchange. You can sell it for fiat, find a site where you can earn interest on it, or simply hodl. Either way, it's a great way to diversify your portfolio or for newbies to get into altcoins or crypto. The amounts that you'll get will vary per quiz, but in the past you could earn as much as up to $50 in Stellar XLM tokens and varying amounts from other popular tokens, such as the likes of BAT, Algo, Matic and Comp tokens. And as the list of tokens available on Coinbase continues to grow, so does the number of tokens available on Coinbase Earn. Now there is a limit to the number of users that are able to earn the free crypto, and sometimes you might need to join a waiting list. So just make sure that you're signed up to Coinbase and then watch out for their email notifications on new cryptos that are available on Coinbase Earn. If you're not already signed up to Coinbase.com, you can also get $10 of free Bitcoin when you use my link in the summary and trade with $100. And I'll show you later how you can also share your link to friends and family to earn a further $10 for every sign up that you get. But first up, in order to be eligible for Coinbase Earn, you must have already verified your personal information and completed identity and photo verification. Just note that it might take up to 48 hours before you're able to earn. Then once you're signed up and logged in, from the home page, head across to the Earn Rewards icon on the navigation menu pane on the left here, where you'll then see a list of available projects that you can learn and earn. So underneath here, you'll see that I've previously earned $3 in Graph, $10 in XLM, and $9 in Comp. Now, although these amounts aren't huge, they can add up. For example, I've earned those Comp tokens, and if I take a look at my portfolio balance, I now have nearly $120 worth, which has simply been from their growth since I took the quizzes and earned those tokens. And I also hold those Maker tokens where we've earned $6 in October, and that's now worth nearly $30. So I'll take you through an example now and show you how easy these are to do. So there's two examples here where I can earn $3 in Barnbridge bond tokens and $3 in AMP. And there's 3 lessons for me to take here, which they state will take 1 minute each. So let's take a look. The first one we'll take a look at is the Barnbridge or the bond token. And this is pretty simple. All I need to do is read through the information on this token. Or to be honest, you can skim through a lot of this if you're not interested in the learning part and just take the quiz. The first question, which is what was Barnbridge, was answered in the third point that was presented to me, and I know this is a risk management protocol, so I'll select that. And I've instantly earned that $1 in bond. If I take a look at the next lesson, I'm then asked what smart yield is, and if I hadn't read this through, I could simply just apply a bit of common sense here. And if Barnbridge is a risk management protocol, smart yield is likely to be an APY risk management tool, which I'll select now, and I've earned another $1. Then finally, it asks me what the bond token is, and I already know that that's a governance token. So I've now earned my $3 in bond, and that was pretty simple to do. So if I just head across to my portfolio now, I can see the Barnbridge tokens appearing in my portfolio. And these are now yours to do with as you wish. And we can then go through and take the AMP quiz too, which is what I'm going to do now just very quickly. And that's my $3 earned in AMP. Now you can also earn $10 in free Bitcoin when you share your invite link with friends and family too, which you'll receive when they sign up and buy or sell with $100 of crypto. And you can enter their email address into here, or you can copy your personal referral link, or share it through different social media sites. Then lastly, if you want to earn more with Coinbase, you can also earn free Bitcoin by setting up recurring buys of $50 or more. All you need to do is set up your recurring buys, which I'm going to show you now. And you'll earn $10 after both your fourth and recurring buys. So if we set up a recurring buy, you can choose how often you'd like to repeat this buy by choosing this from the drop-down. And you can select from the likes of daily buys, weekly, first and 15th month, or monthly. To get the free Bitcoin, the buys that you set up will need to be over $50 or more, and you can choose the type of crypto that you'd like to purchase. Then simply choose the wallet or the payment method that you'd like to use and go ahead with your buy order. So that completes how you can earn free crypto with Coinbase and Coinbase Earn. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.